What if I tell you that thousands of women are silently fighting battles every single day? Not on the street, but inside their own homes and workplaces. And what if I also tell you that a simple collective, a group of women coming together, is changing all of that? This is not just a story, this is a moment of courage, strength, and employment. In India, a large number of women are part of the workforce, but even today, many of them face serious challenges. They deal with unequal pay, limited opportunities, lack of safety, and sometimes even no voice to express their problems. Imagine working hard every day but still not being respected equality. Sounds unfair, right? And this is where the real change begin. A collective means many people's coming together with a one goal. When women support each other, they become a stronger. When they share their experience, they find solutions, and when they stand together, they create an impact across a different part of India. Women are forming groups and communities. These collectives these collectives help them learn new skills, get better job opportunities, and most importantly build confidence, because confidence is not a something you are born with. It is something you build step by step. For example, many women who were once afraid to step outside their homes are now driving vehicles, running businesses, and even leading teams. Think about that transformation from silent to leadership, from fear to independence. But this journey is not easy. These women still face daily struggles. Society questions them, people doubt them, but they keep moving forward. Why? Because now they are not alone. They have a support system, they have a collective, and that changes everything. This story teaches us one powerful lesson: real employment does not happen alone, it happened together. When we lift each other, we all rise. So, the next time you see a strong woman, remember, behind her strength, there is a story, there is a struggle, and there is a collective that help her grow. And maybe you can be part of someone's collective too, because change does not start somewhere far away. It starts with us. Thank you.